Did you know there's a honey with 100 times of the antibacterial power of regular honey? That's Manuka Honey. But how do we measure or know it's 100 times effective? Don't worry, we'll find it soon. First, let's find out what is MGO in Manuka Honey. Let's get this straight so we can move ahead to more important things. Simply, MGO stands for Methylglyoxal. It's a natural compound in Manuka honey and is the key to its healing powers. MGO helps wounds heal faster, boosts skin cell growth, and even helps with ulcers. Manuka honey has way more MGO than regular honey, like 100 times more. This difference is huge. But how does MGO get there? Well, it's because of the bees. They convert a special compound in Manuka nectar called DHA into MGO. That, too, in their stomachs. Even after the honey is collected, the MGO levels keep rising for about a year. That's why you might have seen the numbers on Manuka honey, like MGO 100 plus, MGO 500 plus, and even more. But what does it really mean? Dr. Peter Milan developed the system to measure MGO. This stuff, MGO, is directly linked to the honey's antibacterial powers. But that doesn't mean effectiveness totally depends on MGO. It is not the sole reason. Research shows that while more MGO generally means stronger antibacterial effects, it's not a direct proportion. For example, honey with 300 MGO is about twice as strong as honey with 100 MGO. You'd think it should be 3 times stronger, but it's not. Quality Manuka honey is about more than just that MGO number. Sadly, MGO can also be faked in a lab and added to regular honey, and actually, MGO increases for around 1 year, and that happens because of some natural chemistry. But eventually, it starts to decrease again. Even the storage matters. How hot your honey gets affects how fast those MGO levels shift. The ideal temp for the Manuka honey is 23 degrees Celsius or lower for the best balance. Now, what's UMF? Figuring out which Manuka honey is right for you can still be confusing. That's where the UMF grading system comes in. It gives you a better idea of the honey's overall quality, not just the MGO level. True New Zealand Manuka honey will have both an MGO and UMF rating. And here's a pro tip. Make sure you're getting the real deal. Look for the UMFHA seal. It guarantees an authentic product. Then, what is best for you? It depends on what you want to use it for. If you're looking for an everyday honey, MGO 83 Plus is a great pick. Perfect for cooking, baking, and still offers those good-for-you vitamins and minerals. You'll see grades like MGO 83 Plus, MGO 100 Plus, and even up to MGO 250 Plus in this everyday range. So, will you prefer this over your regular honey? Tell us in the comments. Stay tuned because we'll compare 3 different types of honey in the upcoming video. Bye!